You're gonna have to wait a while for those kids.
I'll be patient. Have a nice day.
Hello, Mrs. Bateman. Have you seen Paolo today?
No, I haven't. Would you like a cup of coffee?
No, thank you. I have so much work to do today.
You sure?
No, thanks, Mrs. Bateman.
Marked down today. Better than a bargathon price. Yours while quantity.
How are you, Mrs. Bateman?
Okay.
If you see Paolo, tell him I'm done for.
Coming, Juan. Mother.
Hello, darling.
Can I get you some coffee? Sanka?
Yes, thank you. Well, Eileen, this is really something. It has possibilities.
What are you doing here?
I just came to see how my little girl was doing in her first apartment. How are you, sweetie?
We're just fine. How's everything at home with Daddy?
Your father is fine. Some lemon and lime curtains could really dress this place up. Lots of sunlight. Put a little window box garden here.
We have a whole rooftop to use for that. Would you like to see it?
This floor will give. Got to get a non-wax floor polish to protect these floors. Kitchen floor really takes abuse.
Okay, Mom.
Eileen.
Yes, Mommy?
Sit down, Eileen. I want to talk to you.
What is it, Mommy? Is it about Daddy?
I came here for a reason, Eileen. I want to explain something to you. I feel I owe you an explanation.
No explanations needed, Mommy. Where's Daddy?
I had to leave your father at home. That's part of what I came here for. I know I put a lot of pressure on you when I was younger.
Mom, the time has passed for this. I don't need it anymore. I would prefer we just go on being polite.
When your father and I got married, I was very young and restless. No one prepared me. I didn't notice it for a while. I felt my world getting very small, creeping up on me, closing in on me. It wasn't like being alive anymore. I lost something and were given things in its place. Things that were never right. Never enough. And I broke.
I'll be good, Mommy. I will. No. No, Mommy. No. Mommy, please. Mommy. Mommy, no. Mommy, no. I'll be good, please.
Broke and I never wanted to do that. I never want you to get that desperate.
I won't, Mommy.
Thank you, Eileen, for understanding.
My pipe's a clean, plumber. What do you want?
Tanya, have you seen Paolo?
Juan, sit down. I told you. I told you and you laughed. He has been taken.
That is bullshit.
Is it?
Well, what do we have here? It looks like we're just going to have to start from scratch. You're going to need some planters.
Wait a sec. Let me get a pen.
Johnson & Johnson no wax for the floor. Ajax ammonia. Disposable sponge mops. Arm and Hammer. Have that?
Mm-hmm.
You get out of here now and let me get down to business.
Okay, Mom. Be back in half an hour. Thanks.
That's all I came for.
Mommy? Mother? Mom? Mommy? Mom? Juan, what the hell is going on here? You put my house keys in the refrigerator, didn't you? And then Paolo's hat. Why?
Paolo's hat?
Did you scare off my mother?
Your mother?
Eileen, listen to me. Think whatever you want to, but I'm not your enemy. I am the only one who can help you.
How can you help me?
There's something going on in your apartment, Eileen. Something unnatural.
Sit down.
I am your friend, Eileen.
What's going on?
Your refrigerator.
It is the gateway to hell. It is evil and the devil himself controls it. I didn't want to tell you before, Eileen, but the people that lived in your apartment before you, they disappeared. They left their car, their stereo, cash, Visa card, everything. And no one ever saw them again. Just gone.
Are you telling me that our refrigerator is possessed?